Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a bonus reading for you, and this reading is quite different from my other reads because over here I'll be looking towards your energies, whichever energies you are manifesting towards yourself. Alright, then I'll be looking towards your person's energies or the situations you are dealing with. Those energies, how are they impacting you or how are they coming towards you? Then I'll be looking towards your total impact of the situation with whom you are dealing with. All right, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you, and those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get notified about my latest videos. All right. All right. So your energies are Seven of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and Ace of Swords. You have a lot of ideas in your head. Always, you have. For some people, it's like you have already done some investment on some place, wherever you want it, and then you're again ready with a different plan. But because it's you which is here, King of Pentacles, obviously the Taurus. All right, so it's like you have done the work with something else. Now there's more different scenarios which you have to look into. So you are always, if done with one thing, ready to do something else, okay, second, third, fourth, always ready with so many plans in your head. So the person or the people around you or the situation around you, King of Cups, Ten of Rods, and Knight of Pentacles, but they are not so not like that which you are. Okay, so you are always ready to do something else as well, sometimes lazy, but sometimes with a new plan, ready to take an action. But the people around you, they are like, oh my god. So might be a Scorpio with whom you were dealing with, and it's like you were just, he or she came and betrayed you once again, not from the past, but this someone who you knew from a long time, but might be from the person from the past as well, because with the Ten of Swords with the Knight of Pentacles, it's like someone who just doesn't go anywhere. He always comes back to you, always. Then again he says something which you don't like, then again he moves on. Then again this person will come. Then what are you doing? Why are you with this person again and again? So for some people, Scorpio, Aqua, Gemini, Libra, and this with the Pentacles, it is more like Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So anyone. All right. So the situation's outcome will be Nine of Pentacles, the Emperor, the Devil. So I really feel that there is some kind of a decision which has to be made, and you are taking this decision because you are the one who has, all the things with you. You are so ready to just leave this person, whosoever was this, and you have taken a decision. You are very strict this time, you are very disciplined this time, and you know that whichever thing was not good, somewhere, but still there was love, there was some affection, there was that attraction that you were not able to let go of this person. Let's clarify now. You have given a lot of patience, but a lot. Let's see the King of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, the Hermit, and Five of Pentacles. Yes, for some people, somebody has left someone in the cold, and now you are into your Virgo mode, which is actually not your mode, but because the Hermit has come towards you, that means you have gone into soul searching. All right, now, so I am doing well with the money. I don't have any problem with that. But some people, they just come and they go away, and I really need to do some soul searching now. I hear you. Yes, you need it. So just be ready and do that soul searching. Do that, just loving yourself kind of a thing, because you need that. People come and go away, but you need some self help. You need some self love, where you are more attracted, more loving yourself other rather than other person. All right, so let's see what is this Ace of Swords. Queen of Swords, Six of Wands, and Eight of Cups. So yes, someone did leave you, someone has gone away from you, and you are standing over there looking towards that person. Now what the hell did just happened? I'm standing here and you are not looking towards me. What is happening? Okay, so it's like this. So this person is looking towards this person, but this person is leaving away, going away from you. I need an answer, but you didn't get any. All right. And this person, I really feel that this person is happy. Let's clarify. King of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, High Priestess, and the Hierophant. Yes, for some people it is a marriage situation, because there was a new start in some marriage, and you were like, or this person, there was some kind of intuitive feeling that this thing is not going to last forever, because the King of Cups and the High Priestess are here. A lot of deep thinking was involved, a lot of gut feeling was there. It was there that it is not going to last forever. So that is why this person was ready to take the move with you, was ready, but some kind of intuition, some kind of thing which might you have ignored or this person has ignored, but at the end it all just ended. It was just the person walked away, or you walked away. So the end of the situation. Let's see. Knight of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Nine of Swords, and Knight of Swords. What are you dealing with? Who is this person? You're not good. Very, very sneaky, very betrayal kind of a person who just betray people, because with the Five of Swords and the Ten of Swords, it's like they always wanted to finish this thing. It was always a planning from their side to end this thing, because they were onto something else. There was something else which actually they wanted something more materialistic kind. Maybe there was a stable beginning which they found that it will be a very beautiful beginning if they will come with you, if they will go on with you, but after some time the truth was released, and this person got to know that I have something else now, I have someone else. I should go where I will get more stability. I cannot be with this person. No, what that person actually looked inside you was not actually, that kind of a thing. Yeah. So let's clarify the Emperor. Seven of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and Seven of Pentacles. Are you still waiting? Or you are just like, you have decided something, no, I'm like this, I'm like that from outside, and from inside you are still waiting. Oh my god, when will that person will come again, and then I will fight, and I will say this and this to this person. Might be a Capricorn as well. Capricorn or Aries. Yeah. The Hangman, Nine of Cups, and the King of Swords with the Devil. With this situation, whatever the outcome is, I'm telling you the outcome. This situation has brought a lot of stagnation in your life. You are not able to move, you are not able to decide what to do, what not to do, because this person was nothing but just the devil. Not exactly the devil, but the person, they just tied chains on your legs, and you were not able to move anywhere. You had a lot of plannings, you had a lot of hopes, a lot of wishes, but you were not able to do. This person made your life a stagnant one, and you were not able to move. So this was just a mere attraction, my dear. This was nothing else, nothing other than that. All right, so if you have taken this decision, so be stern enough, be so much disciplined that you should not think a lot about it, because I really feel that you really need to do some soul searching. That is what you are manifesting. You are manifesting that, but don't go towards this devil. Otherwise, you will, all your soul searching, all your good things, your mind, sometimes you feel very positive also, that will be just a waste. All right. Okay, so let's clarify some cards from the universe now. Strength, Eight of Cups, and Nine of Swords here. All the whatever the universe is telling you, this might be a Leo as well. So whatever the universe is telling you is that this person has gone from you very far, and stop making your nights miserable. That is what the universe is telling you. This person will not return. So what you have to feel, what you have to think, what you have to do, you have to do the inner strengthening. All right, you have to do those things which you are loving a lot. Whatever you want to do, you want to make good food, go and make some delicious food, go and have some ice cream, do those things which will make you happy. So if the situation, whatever thing with whom you were dealing with, if they have gone, if you had a loss in your work, in your business, no, never mind. Okay, just do some inner healing, because you need that right now. All right, so that's all from my side, my Taurus. And if you like this reading, please give a thumbs up, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.